So welcome students. In this question, given that root of 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a plus sin a by cos a is equal to 1 by cos a. If this equation has to be valid, then a belongs to which of these quadrants? So let us try to simplify this question. So first, what is root of 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a? As long as you have root here, you cannot really simplify these expressions. So what I do is I try to eliminate the square root. So within the square root, I'll try to rationalize this. So root of 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a is equal to root of 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a. I'll multiply it with 1 minus sin a in the numerator and denominator. So this becomes root of 1 minus sin a whole square by 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a is 1 minus sin square a, which is cos square a. So cos square a, which is equal to root of 1 minus sin a by cos a whole square. So which gives you mod of 1 minus sin a by cos a. So this is mod of 1 minus sin a by cos a. So if I substitute this here, so mod of 1 minus sin a by cos a is equal to, so I'll send this onto this side, 1 cos a and cos a is same in the denominator, so 1 minus sin a by cos a. So the effective expression is 1 minus sin a by cos a has to be equal to mod of 1 minus sin a by cos a has to be equal to 1 minus sin a by cos a. So when will mod of something will be equal to the same thing? If the expression inside is positive, right? So 1 minus sin a by cos a has to be positive. That means 1 minus sin a and cos a has to have same sign. Either both are positive or both are negative. But 1 minus sin a is always positive, right? Because sin a is always less than 1. So 1 minus sin a is always positive. So numerator is positive and the fraction has to be positive. Hence, the denominator has to be positive. So if cos a has to be positive, that means a should belong to which quadrants? Either first quadrant or fourth quadrant. Options A and D are the right options to this question. Thank you.